We will guide you through how to create Roundabout in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD and clicking New to start a drawing. Go to the Home tab and locate the Draw panel. Type Line in the command line and draw the first road center line. Type Offset and enter the required offset distance. Continue offsetting the line until you have 5 parallel lines representing the road approach. Type Extend and extend the third line beyond the other lines. Select all 5 lines and press Enter. Type 𝗟𝗡𝗚 and press Enter. Specify the center point of the extended third line as the base point for the polar array. Enter 4 for the number of items and press Enter to create 4 equally spaced road approaches. Type Circle in the command line and create a circle at the center of the roundabout. Type Offset and offset the circle outward. Offset the circle a second time to create 3 concentric circles that define the roundabout and roadway areas. Type Explode and select the completed roundabout. Type Fillet and enter the required radius. Select the outer roadway line and the outer circle to create a smooth, rounded connection. Repeat the Fillet command for the remaining roadway approaches until every road is connected to the outer circle. Type Trim and remove the unnecessary portions of the circles and road lines to form the completed roundabout shape. Select the second and fourth roadway lines. Change the line type of the selected lines to hidden and change their color property to red so the hidden road edges are easy to distinguish. Review the roundabout and check that all lines, circles, connections, and colors are correct. Save the drawing by pressing Ctrl+S for future editing.